Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange trading floor. And yes, it's cold outside. Yes, it's gray in the Big Apple. And yes, it's also a wet apple. But I'm drying off indoors. You know why? Because it just hit me. We're at the second to last trading session of the year 2016. Let's get this started. You know what time it is. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. It's time for happy hour in the Big Apple. It is indeed the second to last trading session of the year 2016, and stocks, they're in the red this Thursday afternoon despite opening higher, as it appears as if investors cannot agree on whether the market has checked out for the year or is it just taking a break before sprinting towards the finish. 20,000 anybody? The Dow Jones turning negative in late morning trade, as on the data front, jobless claims declined by 10,000 to 265,000. That figure marking the 95th straight week that claims are below 300,000. That's a threshold associated with a healthy labor jobs market. Meanwhile, the national trade deficit in goods, that grew last month as the country exported $1.2 billion less in November than in October. Imports, meanwhile, rising by $2.2 billion during the same month. At the same time, the U.S. dollar trading lower against the euro and slipping to a two-week low against the yen this session. Also, oil prices roughly flat as crude oil inventories rose by 614 million barrels. 614,000 barrels, that is. And with that stated, let's take all of that into consideration. You have yourself a session right now where the Dow Jones continuing to seesaw throughout the session, mostly on the downside. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the second to last trading session of the week and the second to last trading session of the year 2016. And with that, kick back, relax. New York City, please do your best to stay dry. Do your best to stay warm. You don't want to get sick for New Year's Eve. It's just 2 days away. And with that, I'll see you guys all in the morning. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.